Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. Today I am creating a floral piece. I am using a 10-inch hoop here and white linen. This is a intermediate level embroidery and could be created by anyone from beginners to advanced level. While pressing fabric in the hoop, please keep the fabric taut from all sides. It's a highly important step. Starting off with the stem, I'm using an outline stitch here. It's a very basic stitch. In case you want to use something else, you can also go for a back stitch. I'm using different brands of thread here, but I'll be recommending DMC and anchor thread numbers in case you want to buy similar colors. There might be slight variations as I am using anchor as well as some local brands. This is my first time doing a voiceover and I'm really very doubtful about it. Please tell me in comment section how you guys like it. I would love to know more and any updates I should do. For leaves I am using 2 greens as per shown in the pattern, dark side on the black leaves and the rest for the light. In case you want to get this pattern, you can buy it from my Etsy shop. I had added all the stitching guide and color scheme in my PDF. I think it would be much more easier to understand from it. Here I am using split stitch for the leaves. Before I thought to use satin stitch here, but the effect this particular stitch gave is very satisfying. It makes the whole design look very intricate. It may be a bit time consuming, but it definitely worth it. For the lighter greens again I am using split stitch. To make some leaves look gradient, I do use darker and the lighter shades together. I had marked all these things on my PDF file. For the petals I am introducing the fly stitch. It gives a very delicate look. I am using a multicolored thread here. In case you don't have one, you can use 2 threads of orange or of yellow or a mix of both. If you guys have any doubt regarding this piece or the stitches used in this particular piece, please do question in the comment section below. I would love to answer you back. For the birds, I'm again using fly stitch. I'm using a dull yellow color here. Feel free to change any color as per your choice. The next step is the chain stitch. This is totally an optional step. You can skip it if you want, but I found it gives a very beautiful layer effect. There are basically two types of chain stitches. Here I am using one of the way. I'll show you the other one next time. For me, this one is much more easier than the other way. I'm not showing the number of this color here because I later changed this color to light green, the same one as for leaves. It was not giving the look what I was opting for, so I later changed it. The last step is the French knot. Before I was thinking for spider web stitch here, but it was not looking good with these flowers. They gives a very sunflowery look, so I prefer French knot. I'm using two orange shades here, again for a gradient look. You can use 2 to 3 strands of threads, knotted and unknotted, totally a personal call. For an intricate look, use less strands, but if you are a beginner, start with any number. The main thing should be, first we came to know about the stitches. I'm using French knot here in the middle of the circle as well as on the tips of petals. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up and press the bell icon for more notification. I'll be uploading many new patterns from basic to advanced level, so please subscribe for regular updates. Thank you for stopping by.